Students, welcome back to our online class. So dear students, in last class we have completed our second chapter, that is the parts of a plant. So dear students, now it's time to solve some evaluate part. So dear students, let's begin our class. So just take your textbooks and whatever points we are discussing here, just note down one by one, then later on write in your fair book. Okay dear students, so let's start. So dear students, you can see on the screen that is this is the checkpoint 2. Okay, so here which is the first question, that is write T for true and F for false. Okay, so you have to write T or F. Okay, T means true and F for false. So dear students, which is our first question? That is, most flowers get changed into fruits. Okay, so what happens, whether this sentence is true, that flowers get changed into fruits. So when we are discussing about the flowers, which example we have taken there? About the pomegranate, how the flowers of pomegranate get changed into fruits. So this statement is true. Okay, so next question is, the fruits do not protect the seeds. So dear students, just recall what we have learned in the last class. So as I told, the seeds are existing in middle part of the fruit. Suppose it is a fruit, any kind of a fruit like a apple, mango, any kind of the fruit. So where this seed is existing? Seed is existing in the middle of fruit. Okay, so it means the fruits are protecting the seeds. Yes, this is the protecting the seeds, but they have written as a do not protecting the seeds. So this statement is false. Okay, so next question is, all fruits have only one seed. So when we are discussing about the fruits, how many fruits we have discussed there? So many fruits we have discussed there, and as we have learned that some fruits containing only one seeds, some fruits containing more than two seeds, some of the fruits containing so many seeds. So this statement is again false, that all fruits do not containing only one seed, but all fruits containing so many seeds. This statement is false. Now the next question is, a seed requires only sunlight in order to grow into plant. Okay, so just recall the germination concept. What we have learned there? We have learned there, for germination process we need air, water. Okay, so this statement again it is a false. So we don't require only sunlight, but we want water, air, and as well as a good weather. Okay, so this is the germination process. So this sentence is false. So dear students, this is the true or false concept. So dear students, I hope there is no confusion. Now let's begin for the next exercise question. Okay, which type questions are there? This is the objective type question. It means one question it is given, and for that question you have given totally 4 answers. Okay, so you have to be selected. So the part of the plants that remains underground. Okay, so just remember what is the root part and shoot part. So here the roots are remains underground. So which part it is? It is a root part. Okay, so the next question is, this part of a plant bears leaves, branches, buds, flowers, and the fruits. Okay dear students, now let's recall the parts of a plant. So which is the first part? That is the root. Then again which part will come? That is the stem. Is it? This will come stem, then leaves, then flowers, then become fruit. Okay, so what happens? This part of a plant bears leaves, branches and the buds. Three things you must to know. So whether only root is containing this thing, whether stem is containing these things, no. Okay, so both root and stem, okay, this root and stem both bears the plants of a leaves, branches and the buds. So the answer is C option. Okay. Now the next question is, that is, this part of the plant has lamina. Okay. This part of the plant has lamina. So just think about the structure of leaves. Okay. This is the structure of leaves. So which part is lamina means this part is leaves blade. Okay, this part is leaves blade. Then here veins. Okay, then this is are the upper veins and lower veins. So many parts are there, but this leaf blade itself is called as the lamina. Okay, this is the lamina. So just you can just read out your textbooks, you will get the answer. So answer is lamina. Okay, so this part of the plant has lamina. Which part? That is the leaf. Okay, so answer is leaf. Okay, dear students, so now I hope there is no confusion about the objective type question. Shall we go further? Okay, so here what is our question? That is, circle the odd one out. Okay, so it means you have to be pick out the answer that it not related to this particular group. Okay, so here totally how many questions are there? Totally 3 questions. So first question is beans, grass, wheat, rice. Okay, so here hint has given. So this is one of the type of root. So you have to be check which type of root. So just remember the tap root and the fibrous root. Tap root means directly it is having only one root, whereas the fibrous root, it means it is having the bunch of root. Okay, it is a bunch of root. So just recall the things and what are the examples of tap root and fibrous root. So beans, grass, wheat, rice. So in that beans is having the tap root. Okay, beans is having the tap root. So that's why grass, wheat, rice is the fibrous root. So beans you have to be pick out. So answer is beans, which having the tap root. Okay. Now the next question is mustard, coconut, banana, grass. Okay, so again you have to be choose the type of root. So which type of root it is, whether it is a tap root or fibrous root. So go through the examples of tap root and fibrous root with the help of textbooks. You will get the answer. That is, this is the fibrous root, that is the bunch of a root. Okay, now the next question is stomata, trunk, leaf blade, veins. Okay, so these are the parts of a plant. Okay, so here which one word is different, whether stomata it is part of a plant? Yes. Leaf blade is a part of a plant? Yes. Veins is a part of a plant? Yes. Then what about the trunk? Okay, so here trunk is nothing but the strong stem. Okay, this is nothing but the strong stem, which is called as a trunk. So this is the part of a plant, part of a leaf? No. So answer is trunk, this because it is a thick stem. So dear students, I hope you got all the answers. So dear students, the question is given that circle the odd one out. With that you have to give reason. So that's why you have to give reason here. That is, beans is a tap root, grass is a fibrous root and trunk is a thick stem. So this is your answer. So you have to be right in your fair book. Okay dear students, now let's go for the next question. Okay, so you have to complete the concept map. So just recall the what are the parts of a plant, then you will get the answer. Just take your textbook. This is upon page number 188. Okay, so on the page number 188 you can see that what is the parts of a plant, that is the root part and a shoot part. So which type of which are the examples of root, that is the tap root and the fibrous root. Okay, so what are the examples of shoot part, that is the stem, fruit, flower and the leaf. So you have to be write the answers. So already I have completed this fill in the blanks. You have to write once again in your notebook as well as textbook. Okay, so just complete it. Okay dear students, I hope there is no confusion about the parts of a plant. Already we have discussed the question. So dear students, again in the page number, that is the short answer question, answer these questions briefly. Okay, so label the different parts of the plant and write one important functions of each part. So dear students, what are the parts of a plant you already know, and as well as you have to write the function. Okay, so for this question we have an answer in this way. So okay, you can take the help of this image, that is the parts of a plant, flower, leaf, fruit, stem, root. Already 5 things are there. So if you are taking the help of this image and write those answers, then it is a well and good, very good. Okay, only 5, already 6 boxes are there, but just you write 5, that much is enough, no problem. So only 5 parts is enough for take the knowledge. Okay dear students, so this much you have to be do it. Again some more questions are there in a brief manner, that is the some questions are there as well as some definitions are there. So we will going to complete in the next class. So this is your today's homework. You have to be completed in your fair book and send me the answer. Okay, already we have discussed the answer, so it is very easy to complete your notebook. Okay dear students, so let's meet in the next class. Have a good day. Bye bye.